Hi, YouTube. It's flipvidsonline, and I'm gonna show you how to get free music and everything. It's just sounds. So go on your internet browser and wait for it to load. Thanks to Clay Park 101, I got an awesome background. Thank you, Clay Park 101. Sorry. But let's get to it. So wait, let me cancel this. I got it on internet search. Search findsounds.com, and I'm just gonna get hold on, I'm gonna get some internet. Okay, now I'm gonna find sounds. Search the web for sounds and everything. So it's I'm sorry if you can't see anything. And let's search for let's search for drums. Let's see. Okay, now hit search. Alright, now there's a couple labeled as drum. You have to pick one. It's not finished loading if it just has one. Alright, it finished loading, so it's just like, I'm just gonna pick this one. And then it automatically goes to save, so you can't hear it. And sorry about my sister talking. Yeah. Okay. Now you can go to music, and let's see what I have. Unsupported data. What is that? Okay, and this is what I got. Sorry, that's my funny screams.